Welcome to this video, where we will talk about the best countries for cryptocurrency adoption. Cryptocurrencies have become more and more famous over the years, and many countries have started to use them. In this video, we'll talk about the countries that use cryptocurrencies the most and what makes them so appealing to crypto fans. You are watching Crypto University, where you get all the latest content about crypto, NFTs, and the blockchain in a fun way. Make sure to watch the full video and like it if you want to see more of this content. A quick note, we will never ask for your number or personal information, and we will certainly not contact you on WhatsApp, so please be aware of the scams and the spam comments in the comment section. 1. Switzerland. Switzerland has always been known as a center for banking technology and innovation. There are a lot of Bitcoin and blockchain businesses there, and the government has helped the industry grow. Switzerland is a good place for cryptocurrencies because it has a lot of banks and businesses that are open to using them. Switzerland also has a lot of safety and security, which makes it a great place to store and trade cryptocurrencies. 2. Singapore. Singapore is another country that has given coins a lot of support. It has modern rules and has drawn many blockchain and cryptocurrency entrepreneurs. Because of this, the government of Singapore has set up a regulatory playground to help new businesses figure out how to deal with the laws and rules. Singapore also has a well-developed banking system and a lot of tech-savvy consumers, which makes it a great place for cryptocurrencies to spread. 3. Malta. Malta is a small island country that is also known as Blockchain Island. It has taken a proactive approach to regulating cryptocurrencies, which has drawn a lot of businesses and entrepreneurs who work with cryptocurrencies. Malta is one of the most crypto-friendly countries because it has a complete set of laws for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Malta's government has also set up a regulatory laboratory to help new businesses figure out how to navigate the regulatory scene. Many cryptocurrency exchanges and other businesses are based in Malta. Malta has been working for a number of years to make sure that cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology are well regulated. In 2018, Malta was the first country in the world to pass a law that covered cryptocurrencies, blockchain technology, and digital assets as a whole. This regulatory framework gives companies and investors in the cryptocurrency industry a clear road to follow and gives them legal certainty. Malta is a good place for business because it has a low company tax rate of 35%, doesn't have to withhold taxes, and doesn't tax capital gains. This makes it a good place for Bitcoin businesses and entrepreneurs to set up shop. Also, business processes and new ideas are made easier by Malta's highly educated workforce and well-developed infrastructure. 4. Japan. Japan has been a leader in technology and new ideas for a long time, so it shouldn't be a surprise that it has adopted cryptocurrencies. Bitcoin is a legal way to pay for things in Japan, and many companies accept Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. Japan is a good place to use cryptocurrencies because it has a well-developed banking system and a lot of tech-savvy consumers. 5. The United States of America. The United States plays a big role in the world market for cryptocurrencies. It has a lot of cryptocurrency companies and exchanges, and many states have taken steps to make the regulatory environment more cryptocurrency friendly. The United States also has a very advanced banking system and a lot of tech-savvy people who are interested in cryptocurrencies. But the rules for cryptocurrencies in the United States can be complicated and vary from state to state. Before investing in or starting a cryptocurrency business in the country, it is important to stay educated and talk to a lawyer. 6. Estonia. Estonia is a small country in Europe that is known for digital creativity. It has a very well-developed online government system and a regulatory setting that is friendly to cryptocurrencies. Estonia was one of the first countries to set up a digital ID system. This has made it easier for businesses and people to use cryptocurrencies and other digital assets. Estonia is also a good place for coin businesses because it has a lot of people who use the internet. 7. South Korea. South Korea is a big player in the world market for cryptocurrencies. It has many cryptocurrency exchanges and a technology industry that is very advanced. The South Korean government has made laws about digital assets and taken steps to control cryptocurrencies. South Korea also has a lot of tech-savvy people who are interested in cryptocurrencies. This makes it a good place for cryptocurrency businesses to set up shop. 8. Canada. Canada has attracted a lot of cryptocurrency companies and entrepreneurs because of how easy it is to do business there. It has a very advanced banking system and a lot of tech-savvy people who are interested in cryptocurrencies. The Canadian government has also put in place a legal framework for digital assets and made steps to control cryptocurrencies. But just like in the US, the rules for cryptocurrencies in Canada can be complicated and vary from province to province. Before investing in or starting a cryptocurrency business in the country, it is important to stay educated and talk to a lawyer. 9. Germany. Germany plays a big role in the world market for cryptocurrencies. Due to its good regulatory environment, it has attracted a lot of cryptocurrency companies and entrepreneurs. Germany is one of the most crypto-friendly countries because it has a complete set of laws for cryptocurrencies and blockchain technology. Germany also has a well-developed banking system and a lot of tech-savvy people who are interested in cryptocurrencies. This makes it a good place for cryptocurrency businesses to set up shop. As cryptocurrency regulations continue to change, it is important to stay up to date and talk to a lawyer before dealing with or starting a cryptocurrency business in any country. In terms of how cryptocurrencies are regulated and how the infrastructure works, each country has its own strengths and flaws. As the global cryptocurrency market keeps changing, it is important to stay up to date and talk to a lawyer before investing in or starting a cryptocurrency company in any country. We're glad you watched this video, and we hope it taught you something. Thanks for watching, and I hope you found this video helpful. What do you think of today's video? Do leave a comment and like the video. Tell us what you want to learn about next. And be aware that the price prediction is according to the sources, but it should not be taken as financial advice. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and return for more price prediction videos like this one. Have a great day, and we'll see you in the next video.